So now we will see how to level our resources in our project for any particular activity like without affecting the project end date. So I am going to consider this project having eight activities and also having different duration. So I'm just going to show you the network diagram of this project. So for that I'm just going to select this option, activity network. Okay, and then if you don't want this show on bottom, you can just go for this option and then show on bottom, no bottom layout. So if you want to zoom in, you can just go for zoom in. Now this is what the network diagram of our project. Okay, I'm just going back to the details and then the Gantt chart. Okay, so here the critical activities like A, B and then D and then G, H. So I'm just going for columns and here I'm just going for find critical. Put find next and we can able to put that to final. So we can able to see like these activities with the tick mark, it becomes the critical activities. Then you should monitor those activity to get the project success on completion date. If you are not monitoring this critical activity, then you might be having more delays. So to avoid those delays, you should concentrate on critical activities. Now we also have total float for this activities. For example, here we have 6 days float, and then for this activity we also have 6 days, and for next activity we also have 9 days. So what you mean by float? So float in the sense the amount of time that the activity can be delayed which won't affect the project completion. So that is what float. So we can say it is the amount of time a given task can be delayed without causing a delay in the entire project. So that is called float. And we have free float and then total floats and everything. Lots of floats were there, but the correct definition for float is what I mean. Now for all the activities I have assigned one resources. So this is what the resource I have assigned. Now because of that we can able to see in resource usage profile some over allocation. See, in these activities we have over allocation. That's why it is looking in red color and also it is like on top of the limit. So now I will show you how to level this resources, and before that we should go for checking the finish date. So the finish date is like 17th February. Now we will level the resources. I'm just going for level and manual leveling. I'm just going to click level. So I'm just putting level, and after the completion date of our project is 23rd February. Now our resources got leveled. This is one type, but we are getting delay in our project. But I'm just going to put default, putting yes, close again. Now again I'm just going for scheduling it. Okay, now I don't want to delay the project. I just want to complete the project on 17th February. Then how can we level? We will see one option there. Without affecting the project end date, we can able to like level our resources. I'm just going for level resources, and then where you have the option for level resources only within activity total float. You just put this, and we can just go for 0 hours and then 25 percentage. Okay, now I'm just going for leveling. It won't change the final date, and I'm just going for level. See, it just leveled. Okay, because we have assigned only 25 percentage. So that's why the resource leveling was done, and it is not changing the project end date. So like this you can able to just go for leveling resources. So where you also have this option, you can change it. So for that you have this option level resources only within activity total float 0 hour, and you can put the maximum percentage to over allocate our resources.